Good morning, everybody. This is our first break-in this morning of the new kitchen. We don't have anything done in there, just the concrete. We're raising funds right now for the big sink and for the new big stove that's going to carry 3 of these big pots. You'll see in a second. Got a couple of our little girls in here. They are the daughters of the volunteers. Here we come on in. Here's the front 20 feet. This is the big kitchen area here. And oh, it smells so good. You'll just not even believe it. Let's see what we got. Cucumbers for the salad coming in. Oh, the cilantro is being chopped right now. Oh, it smells so good. Here's a bunch of our vegetables. Marielle is creating the frijoles. Oh, wow. Okay, we got rice coming, frijoles. Look at this. Guys, just a few months ago, this was all mud and dirt and a mess, and today we are professionally covered, and we are working hard to provide food for the kids in the community. They will all be coming here at noon. Now, just a quick update. These 3 big tanks will be down below. Our guys just built the cage down here. The cage, the barred thing to keep them safe at night. These things will be down there, and then we'll have a thing coming through the wall to fuel the kitchen, stove. Okay, so here's the deal. 10 feet long, 3-bin sink right here. It's being created as we speak. We had a wonderful donor group come in. A local group is sponsoring this sink and installed. It's $2,800. 3 big bins. It will hold, each bin will hold 200 pounds of vegetables. And it will also clean. We can put the big pots in here. We've got pots that are even larger than this one. And it will clean the pots and vegetables and everything else into the future. And then next, we need a sponsor. We need a sponsor. This stove is going to be about 8.5 to 9 feet long right here. And it's going to allow us to put 3 of these big pots on at the same time. 1, 2, 3. It will retrofit also to where we'll put in a big griddle area. So it's called La Plancha. We can cook the chicken and steaks and everything else, whatever else we need for whichever team is here or the kids. It's going to be an amazing deal. And so we need a sponsorship for that. It is $1,600. But that is a commercial, licensable kitchen sink that would fit in a restaurant. It's fitting in our restaurant. Our restaurant's free. Open for business. Okay, and then of course we're going to do some stainless steel tables here. They're $160 each at Price Smart, that's our Costco, same company actually. And we're going to do stainless steel tables down here as well. And we've also got retro fittings here for a single bin sink that's going to go there. If anyone's interested in sponsoring any of that stuff, hey, we thank you. We're going to put a plaque on the stuff that's been sponsored by individuals or companies or foundations. We'd love to work with you and love to show the whole world that you are helping to feed the poor. Thanks a lot, and thank you, my friends, for paying for and sponsoring this glorious kitchen that is well on its way.